Hello everyone, I am Dr. Keshav and I secured rank 6 in NEET PG 2023 and a rank of 43 in INI-CET 2023, and today we'll be reviewing the new PrepLadder Notes 6.0. So now let's review the new PrepLadder Notes 6.0 and unbox them. Let's open one of the notes and start to see what's in them. Now let's look inside the forensic notes that have been written and curated by Dr. Akhilesh sir. The first thing that they have done is, so in this they have provided a synopsis where they have tagged the must know and good to know topics which you can read during your preparation and then revise them at the last moment. Another thing which they have done is they have converted their notes into single column, and so that there is extra space provided for the annotation of the extra things which you have seen in the video, or you have got the extra information from the test review. One more thing what we have done is they have converted all of their content in the form of tables and flowcharts and images, which gives you a pictorial image. This will help you to grasp the content quickly and for a longer time and will really help you in your exams. Also, they provided the PYQ tags. This will help you to know which topics are being repeated again and again and which topics have been asked in which years. There are different boxes also in between providing the important information which contains the exact lines which you need to know from that page, and you can revise them at the last moment, and this will really help you. One brilliant thing which PrepLadder has done is they have provided the integrating subjects in between. Like while reading the forensic, they have tagged the microbiology topics which you can read at the same moment, and this will really help you to integrate the different subjects. And you should not miss out the chanting lines which they have provided at the end of the notes, which contain all the important lines that you need to know. You can chant these lines daily and revise them at the last moment. So I really like this new version of PrepLadder Notes 6.0, and they surely will be the go-to notes for your exam preparation.